Are you a health conscious person who is always on the go and needs some kind of healthy blend of juices, shakes, and smoothies during work or while traveling? Well, you can't take your entire kitchen with you, but you certainly can bring along a portable blender. It makes it easy for you to take care of yourself and keep your body fresh and healthy. Using a portable blender will help you enjoy your nutritious juices and smoothies both outside and inside your home, benefiting at all times from the nutrients and property of fruits and vegetables. We've researched and reviewed 5 of the best portable blenders that'll suit your needs, so join us as we introduce them one by one. At number 1 is the Kitchen Max Portable Blender. Despite its size, one cannot underestimate its capacity. This handy blender can make 10 to 12 cups of smoothies on a full charge. It only takes 2 to 3 hours for it to be fully charged again. It has a 6-point powerful blade that can crush frozen fruits, vegetables, seeds, and even ice. It does so thanks to its 3.7 volt motor powered by 2000 megaamps on a rechargeable battery. That makes it powerful for its size. It only takes 2 to 3 hours for it to be fully charged. This portable blender from Kitchen Max is made from high-quality, BPA-free and food-grade materials that are safe to use in preparing baby's food. Assembling this is not complicated. With a single button, the blender is also easy to use. Simply add your ingredients, push the button, and after 90 seconds, your drink is ready. It also has a built-in safety feature to enjoy safety from overheating, as well as preventing it from operating when the blender is not correctly assembled. This blender measures 3 by 3 by 9 inches. Its compact size and cordless features make it easy to slip into your bag and carry it anywhere you go: the office, gym, school, even outdoor activities. You can have your delicious smoothie anytime and wherever you want. At number 2 is the Hamilton Beach Single Serve Blender with Travel Lid. This 14-ounce blender is designed for people who are always on the go and are health conscious despite their hectic schedule. It's manufactured with a compact design and portability, helping you make smoothies from fresh ingredients anywhere. Plus, you can drink right from the jar, and it comes with a lid that is tightly placed to avoid spills. In just one touch, you'll have excellent results. It's easy to clean, and the jar can be washed in a dishwasher. The Hamilton Beach Single Serve Blender is energy efficient with 175 watts of power, capable of blending fruits and vegetables into a perfect drink. Its significant value is not just for the users, but also for the environment. That's because it's BPA free. It also has a sturdy stainless steel blade powerful enough to crush the desired foods in addition to its pulse blending action. Moreover, its cord is wrapped for easy, safe storage. Aside from its remarkable physical features, this impressive appliance has a 1-year warranty. As long as it coincides with the warranty policy, your blender is covered. With a 4-star consumer review, this portable blender is an excellent buy at a very reasonable price. It's a great way for healthy people on the go to have the smoothie of their choice. Well, that takes care of the first 2 items on our list. Did you like either one? Well, we still have 3 more to go. Did you have any comments or suggestions? Well, then feel free to let us know in the comments. And now back to our list. At number 3 is Cadel's Portable Blender. This 6-blade blender runs on a motor with 16,800 rotations per minute, capable of producing juices and smoothies quickly. With its USB charging feature, it's suitable for any home, travel, or outdoor activity. It uses only 20 watts of electricity. This blender juicer is made from high-quality food-grade glass and stainless steel. It's very safe and durable to use while making fruit and vegetable smoothies. The combination of glass and stainless steel also give it a very sleek look. Cadel's blender is also easy to use. Just press the button for 2 seconds and the machine will start running. And with a single press, it can be turned off. The blender is also equipped with safety features, as it automatically turns off after 20 seconds, making it safe to use. When the red light and blue light are flashing, it means that the parts are not correctly installed, and a constant red light is to turn it off. Aside from being easy to use, this blender is also very convenient to clean. Just separate the glass bottle from the machine base and wash it. The stainless steel machine base will only need to be wiped clean with a soft cloth. Cadel's blender weighs only about 1.8 pounds and it's lightweight and compact. It'll easily fit into a bag and can be carried anywhere you need to go when you need a fast, quick, healthy drink. At number 4 is the Augie NB Portable Personal Blender. Aside from being portable, it has powerful features that make it convenient to use for everyone. The item is upgraded at 6 blades and 3D for superb mixing durability. The stainless steel made sawtooth blades with strong motor can effortlessly pulverize fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients into amazing smoothies and your favorite blended shakes you love. You can also enjoy fresh nutrient retention and leisure time. This product boasts a single large capacity battery that can be used for a long time. It has a built-in 5000 mAh USB battery that can easily be charged by a computer, mobile phone, or other USB device and can be used about 10 to 12 times after fully charged. It's definitely perfect for travel or outdoor sports trips. The item also comes with a BPA-free bottle with tight lid cap, which is very safe to use. It can make 2 glasses of mixed fruit into smoothies that'll help fuel up your day. This blender is one of the great handy devices to have when you go to the office, workouts, or anywhere you are that you need to make a favorite smoothie easily. This product is easy to clean and to assemble. It's a one-of-a-kind portable compact blender. Still can't decide? Well, we have one more to go. This last item might be the one you're looking for. Please subscribe to our channel and become part of our community. Press the bell icon so you can get updated when we post new videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family to help them with their buying decisions. And now our final product. At number 5 is the Cuisinart Smart Power 15-piece compact portable blending and chopping system. This product comes with great features that are user-friendly and instructions that are easy to follow. This handy portable blender comes with 2 sharp blades, perfect for everything you need, making healthy versions of your juicing, mincing, chopping, and smoothies all from just one device. Say goodbye to time-consuming preparation of foods and fruits with this powerful 350-watt motor that'll make your healthiest foods and fruits on the go in the fastest method possible. Along with different shapes and sizes of tumblers with the 16-ounce and set of 4 travel cups, it'll fit every situation you're into. This blender comes with a sleek electronic touchpad with LED indicator lights with high, pulse, and low according to your needs. An easy way to explore and experiment with foods in the healthiest of ways. Quality assurance is guaranteed. It's also shatter resistant, BPA free, and easy to wash. It has safe dishwasher components on standby mode, and when it's idle for too long, the safety interlock and auto stop features will engage. Light and easy to bring from one place to another, this unit weighs only 4 pounds, and with the dimensions of 10 by 15 by 10 inches, it comes in black and silver colors. This personal blender has 2 numbers of speeds to choose from depending on your purposes. And there you have the 5 best portable blenders. Whichever you opt to get based on your standards, we hope that you found our list efficient in helping you pick the right one. If you found something that passed your preferences, check out the link in the description box to catch it at its best offer. If there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see us review, write your comments and suggestions and our team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review. Stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping the bell icon, and to become part of our growing community, subscribe to our channel.